Alright, so I wasn't going to make this video because I feel somewhat like a failure. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back working on the John Deere 317. Today's project, I think we're going to be working on these tapered bushings right here, and I'll show you what's going on. So essentially what's happening is I'm having a racking problem where my plate is moving back and forth right here. I got everything tightened up right now so you can't see it. But I'm getting a lot of play in the bucket or forks this way, side to side. And from what I can tell, it's this taper bushing right here. So from what I can tell, I should be able to just take out this bolt here and then use my crane or engine hoist to just lift this up and then hopefully knock out the old bearings and put in the new ones. So let's get into it and see what happens. I didn't think my 3/8 would take it off, but it was worth a shot. Salesman. D&W salesman. Alright, so I ended up having to pull these grease caps off here. There's a nut that the bolt goes into that you got to back up to take off. I was hoping that the threaded portion of it was either built into the plate somehow, and you could just unscrew it, but that's not the case. So you got to pull these caps, back up the nut, and then take it out. Alright, so I wasn't going to make this video because I feel somewhat like a failure. So I've been working on this skid steer, and what seemed to me to be like an easy project has quickly turned into something that I have not been able to solve. And it's a bit frustrating for me because my whole life I have been the person that fixes everything. And it's kind of tough mentally to run into this kind of roadblock because it should be something fairly easy to do. So I'm turning to you guys to see if anyone out there in YouTube land has some insights on what to do. So let me kind of just describe the problem I'm running into. So as you've seen in the video, we've got these two tapered bushings that get pressed in from the inside and push their way out. And I'm sorry, they're not bushings, they're tapered pins. And from what I can tell, there's no real good way to drive them out. On the outside of the skid steer where you would drive them inward to remove them from the bushing, there's not enough room to really catch any lip on the pin to drive it out. And, you know, I've tried my air hammer, won't budge it. I've made like a tapered rod to kind of fit in there, and I have wailed on it with a 20-pound sledgehammer, and I just cannot get the thing to budge. So I'm to the point where it looks like if you're going to fix it, you almost got to torch it out but I don't know that I feel comfortable with my abilities to torch it out and not wreck the tapered bushing that it sits in. You may be able to air arc gouge it out, but I don't have one of those. Might be a good excuse to get one. But so yeah, I'm throwing this out there. So far I've failed, but I'm hoping one of you guys has some insights on how I can get this out. I've tried a slide hammer, but you can't get anything threaded onto the slide hammer to catch that lip. So yeah, it's a 2008 John Deere 317 skid steer. Yeah, let me know if any of you guys have any good ideas or what you guys think the best course of action would be. So I'll look forward to hearing from you.